Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression, which is 45 divided by 3 square then times 2 plus 3. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 3 square gives us 9. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 9 times 5 equals 45. And we have here 45 divided by this. So 45 divided by 45, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here first we have to handle these parentheses. 2 plus 3 gives us 5. Our expression equals 45 divided by 3 square and times just 5. Now here we have this exponent. So 3 square gives us 9. Okay, 45 divided by 9 then times 5. Now we have one division and one multiplication. Division and multiplication have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first 45 divided by 9, which equals 5. So 5 times 5, and this is equal to 25. So our final answer to this problem is just 25.